Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I have ordered vacuum cleaner for my house cleaning. This is cordless vacuum cleaner with 3000 mAh power battery supply, which give you at least 60 minutes non-stop cleaning for your house, which is quite impressive. The power of the sucker is very powerful. So I will open this and we will check accessories which is available in this box, and we will test on surface, carpet and other tiles. So let's unbox this and check the quality of this vacuum cleaner. So let's unbox and see what is in it. So let's unbox this. This is very so here you can see this is our cordless vacuum cleaner. So now let's open now this box. So this is our vacuum cleaner machine, and here's manual book. Here's manual about vacuum cleaner. So this is our vacuum cleaner, and this is instruction book, and here for thank you for shopping. So let's open all the accessories which are available in this box. Here you can see this is our vacuum cleaner machine. You can see that this is LED which give the battery percentage, that how much battery is available. So this is very beautiful and very lightweight. You can see this is filter. This is filter which sucks all the dust. Let's see what is in it. This is our vacuum. You can see that there are some soft pushes which will suck all the dust. You can see this. This is very beautiful. Here you can see. There are some soft bushes for the cleaning. You can use it for large portion, and for the small portion for like for sofas. This is for battery charging. We have to pull this and insert machine here for battery charging. Here you can see some small bushes. We will all apply on our vacuum cleaner, then we will see that how these things work. Here you can see another bush. This is charger for the supply. This supports 220 voltage power, 100 to 240 watt power supply. So you can use this anywhere. This is extra filter on the back end. You can see this. On another soft bush, you can see this. I really like this vacuum cleaner. because this looks very beautiful. Now let's see what is in it. Oh, sorry, I forgot this. There is a one more thing which was available in the box. This is, I think this is battery, because this is little bit heavy. Okay, here you can see this is lithium battery, 3000 mAh lithium battery. You can see the look. This is very beautiful. So we will use this and we will check that how our vacuum cleaner works. And here the stick for the vacuum cleaner, this blue color stick. You can see the quality of the vacuum cleaner. This is very beautiful and impressive. Here you can see. So we will connect these all parts in the vacuum cleaner, then we will check on the surface. This is also available to suck the dust. You can see this. We will check this at how it works, because I really don't know about this. We will check this. So I think we have opened all the items which was available in the box. So let's install all these items in this vacuum cleaner. Then we will check that how it works. So we will test it.
So these are all the accessories which was available in the box. So let's install this and check how it works.
So this is our vacuum cleaner. You can see that, and this is our head bush, and this is our stick. So this uses for surfaces, tiles, you can use for carpets, and these bushes used for furniture cleaning, sofas, or for little things. So, and this is flexible cleaning. You can use it on anywhere. So let's install this, and we will check on this. So this is our filter which is already installed in it. We have to clean this after every month. And this is our dustbin. After every vacuum cleaner we have to use this. Less like this. Currently it is clean. And this is our battery side. Here we have to install our battery. So let's install our battery first. Here you can see we have installed our battery, and let's turn on. So it is installed, and you can see here it will show the percentage of the battery, that how much is charged. So for example, if we want to clean the furniture or small thing, we have to just insert this here, and we can use it just like this. In the same way, we can install all these bushes. For flexible cleaning, we can use this to clean anything. But for surfaces or floors, we have to use this. So to use this, first we have to insert this. It's very easy to install. Here you can see that our vacuum cleaner is ready to use. So let's use this on surface, then we will try some other things.
So this is the dustbin of our vacuum cleaner. So let's open this and see the dust which was vacuumed. Here you can see the dust which was vacuumed. So let's throw in it in the dustbin. Here you can see the dust and power of the vacuum. So if you have any question, you can ask me in comment, and thank you for watching.